36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session or reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or driving. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. One moment. This is the People versus Andre Davis, ticket number SP 1312470, count 1. Like failed to yield. I'm sorry.
Roseboro didn't check in, did he?
Failed to yield right away. Count ticket number SP 1312471. Count 1, leave scene accident, property damage. Count 2, failed to report accident. Count 3, not exactly sure what this is. Something give information aid. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. My name is Mark Brown. My P number is 39562. I appear on behalf of Mr. Andre Davis, who's present via Zoom. We have no objection to continuing via Zoom technology. Mr. Davis, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Andre Davis.
All right, and I might have called more cases than were actually on the docket.
No, I think I'm sorry.
Go ahead.
I think there's supposed to be 4 cases on the docket. We had some issue because I think someone did not get on or they didn't realize that their appearance filed or something like that, but they are all in the docket today. There may have been some defaults entered on the 2 of the cases, I believe, but they all should be back in order now.
Okay, I have them. All right, how did you wish to proceed, Mr. Brown?
Judge, we're probably going to have to proceed to a trial. I've spoken to Ms. Horn, and she's provided me with some discovery. Actually, I received the video this morning, so we need a date to come back for the trial or pre-trial, however the court would like to proceed.
Did you want to set this for a bench trial?
Yeah, that would be fine, Judge, I believe. Well, I should probably at least talk to Mr. Davis. Would you, you can have a jury where we can have actually, I probably should talk to him otherwise. Can we just set it for a pre-trial, Judge?
You want to set it for a pre-trial?
Yes, yes.
Oh, you already set for trial today. Okay, all right, we'll set it for another pre-trial.
Same day.
We'll set it for March 1st at 8:35.
March 1st, okay. Very well. And then I'll get in touch with Ms. Horn. I tried to reach out to her while I was in the room, but unable to contact her. So.
I think she's logging back in. I don't see her. But she's supposed to be logging back onto the.
It's fine. March 1st at 8:35. Thank you very much, Your Honor. You have a great day, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Thank you for your patience.
Okay, I'm asked all defendants to please turn on your video, keep on your video, they remained it in the video, okay? And remain quiet until your name is called.
Mr. Davis, I'll call you. You just sign off.
Okay, so I'm free to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Rock, you ready?
No. She hasn't came back out yet.
Okay.
Everyone, when the defense attorney comes in, I'm going to reopen court and then keep your devices muted until your name is called. Remain in the camera and keep your devices muted. Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session. There will be no reading, eating, walking around, talking, sleeping. Stay in the camera at all times. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Ms. Garion, good morning. Are you ready on your matter?
Judge, I've been waiting in the breakout room with no one else appearing, so I don't know what to do next.
Yeah, your situation is, let me see if I have a file, if there's an offer.
It's Mr. Diversion.
SOS. Blockading.
That would be fine.
All right, this is People versus Fat John Dervishi, ticket number P1420486, count 1, disregard traffic control device. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes, good morning, Judge. For the record, Marie Gary, and on behalf of the defendant, P13853.
All right, you're obviously appearing on behalf of your client.
Yes.
Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket for an amendment to blockading?
Yes, Your Honor, we so stipulate.
Or will amend the count to blockading and we'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine that is due on February 28th.
I'm sorry, Judge, 175 by February 28th.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Judge. Have a great day.
Thank you for your patience, Ms. Gary.
Thank you, Judge. Bye-bye.
Are you ready, Ms. Roki?
Yes, everybody that's out ready.
All right, this is People versus, oh, shoot. Corporal Bennett was here. Let me bring him out. I meant to bring him out. All right, this is People versus Kenneth Reed, ticket number P1378121. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, loitering in place of illegal occupation. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Kenneth Reed.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Reed, I did discuss this matter with my client. At this time, he's continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reed. Raise your right hand, Mr. Reed.
Oh, shit, my bad.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
All right, the court's gonna continue your not guilty pleas at this for a bench trial date for March 1st at 9 o'clock.
I don't know. I talked to the lady and she said that I will have a delay sentence or something like
Oh,
that for like 3
I'm
months.
sorry, Your Honor. He did say he was going to avail himself of the delayed sentence. That's my mistake. People did make a recommendation. They would dismiss the improper plates and they'd offer him a delayed sentence on the narcotic drug violation. He's waiving his rights as in court to adopt that.
Okay, you're still under oath. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Soroki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty. Are you pleading
I
guilty because you're actually guilty?
I couldn't understand you.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 7, 2022 at 8:01 p.m. On that date and time, we've at near Vaughn and Santa Clara in the city of Detroit.
yes,
And did you loiter in a place of illegal occupation with the intent to engage?
See, that's the problem. No, I will actually, you know what? I will just go ahead and just plead not guilty and wait till I talk to my lawyer.
I mean, you going back and forth.
But it's like
now you don't want to plead. What you want to do?
oh man, I'll set a trial date. I'll just go ahead and just pay the
March
extra fee
1st,
for the lawyer
March
because I'm not
1st.
understanding.
That's your date, March 1st. That's your date.
Okay.
March 1st.
All right, that's cool.
Right that, sir.
Mm.
People versus Raymond Roberts, ticket number SP 1388016, count 1, driver registered or entitled vehicle, count 2, driver license suspended, ticket number P 1388022, count. Strike that. Ticket number P 1382881, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, driver registered or entitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Raven Roberts, this is a recall.
All right, say your name is Robert.
Raven Roberts.
Your Honor, I believe the offer at this time is she would plead guilty to one count of failed display, the other matters would be dismissed. I'm not sure if the court took her plea before or not.
Yeah, you know what? I misspoke. I thought she had failed to display marked, but it looks like. One moment. Oh, no, it is, wait. No, it's the offers to dismiss everything and she has to pay the civil infraction.
Okay, Your Honor, we would stipulate to probable cause at this time. Ms. Roberts, did you hear that?
Yes.
These tickets are dismissed, but you do have to pay your civil infractions. Thank
Okay.
you. You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck. The people versus Richard Ross, ticket number SP 1376762, count 1. Driver register or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, improper place. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Ross, at this time, we're moving for dismissal of all matters. He showed an insurance certificate dated 10/21/2023, and also a registration dated 6/25/23. Move for dismissal.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir, as you have provided valid documentation.
Huh?
You're all set, sir.
Okay, so I can hang up.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mhm.
Corporal Bennett.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry. We literally just did it like 3 minutes ago. They did blockading.
Okay, Your Honor.
Are you cool with that? I mean, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry about that.
No, we're good, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Are you too?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Peter Reed, ticket number C 4851332, count 1, offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Reed.
Say your name, Mr. Reed. You're muted. Unmute yourself. Look at the bottom left-hand corner.
Peter Reed.
Your Honor, Mr. Reed is entering a plea of not guilty at this time and requesting a jury trial.
All right, we'll set this for a jury trial Let me find the date. It's March 29th at 9:30. Does that mean we just have to say that? Okay, March 29th at 7. Oh, no, I'm not here. That's why. Never mind. We can't do that day.
It's 29th, so we go with the whole week. 23rd.
Yeah,
the
that
whole
whole
week. So we have to go.
April 19th at 8:35 will be the jury trial date, and then the final pre-trial will be April 18th at 8:35.
Okay, and also, can I be afforded a lawyer, please?
Okay, just hang tight, and we'll get the paperwork together. So don't log out.
So,
Just,
Mr. Reed, you can touch your device and join back your breakout room so an attorney can assist you.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So April 18th and then April 19th
Yes, at 8:35.
at 8:35.
Then you have a
Okay,
final,
thank you.
and then you have a final pre-trial now, April 18th.
I think it's 9:30 on the 19th.
Which
Okay.
day? Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
All right, this is the people versus
Your
Jerome
breakout
Dodson.
room.
Thank you, Yana.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
Have a good day.
Ms. Soroki, when you get a chance, after you're done, can you just go over the form with them?
I will.
Thank you. This is the people versus Jerome Dodson, ticket number U 611-18621, count 1, disorderly conduct. Ticket number P1352382, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number P1205056, count 1, driver register on title vehicle. Count 2, drive while license not valid or proper license. Ticket number P1142943, count 1, drive while license not valid or proper license. Ticket number P1118353, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Ticket number SP1109605, count 1, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, driver license suspended. Ticket number P1380283. I'm sorry, P1380283, count 1, drove CMV with no license in possession. Count 2, drive a registered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Mr. Dodson.
Jerome Dodson.
Your Honor, Mr. Dodson's matters were set for trial today. The officer did not appear. I'm moving for dismissal.
Okay. Looks like he has another. Okay, Mr. Dodson only had, I'm trying to find the ticket that he had that was set for trial. The rest of these matters were in warrant status. So she made an offer, packaging everything. Did you want that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
It was a 3-month delayed sentence on the U ticket and pleaded failed to display an improper plate and then everything else would be dismissed.
What was a U ticket?
Disorderly conduct, consuming alcohol intoxicant on public street.
So the matters that were set for today are all being dismissed?
Yeah, those are dismissed. In addition to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other tickets are being dismissed. But it looks like he has another set of 3 tickets that's around. So those would be dismissed. In Army.
No record.
I see it right here.
You was able to pull it up?
Yeah.
Okay, I couldn't pull it up. I tried everything. And none of them would come up. Okay, so I figured something was wrong downstairs. Okay, but as long as you got it.
Yeah, so yeah, everything, so actually, instead of 5, it would be 8 tickets that would be dismissed.
Sir, did you hear that?
Or wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It'll be 11 tickets.
So Mr. Dotson,
Is he frozen? I think he's frozen.
Mr. Dotson?
Yes.
So you have 11 additional, you have 14 additional tickets that you didn't take care of today because they're in warrant status. So we can set the warrant aside, and if you want to admit 3 of them, they'll dismiss the rest.
Connection. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah. I
So
think
if
y'all
you-
lost connection.
So if you wanted to admit 1 ticket for failing to show a valid license and 1 ticket for an improper plate, and then you have a disorderly conduct ticket, which they would give you a 3-month delayed sentence. So if you paid the fine and stayed out of trouble, that ticket would be dismissed in 3 months. Do you want-
Okay, when can I pay it ASAP?
Yeah, you can go ahead and plead. If you want to go ahead, we'll take this plea right now. You want to do that?
Yeah.
All
I
right,
want
Your
to take care of all of it right now so I can get my license back. So
We're ready,
that's
Your
what
Honor.
the problem is.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Dodson. Mr. Dodson, raise your right hand.
I got stuck out here.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Please put your hand down. You had the opportunity to speak to your attorney about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty
No.
plea today? You're
No,
pleading of your
ma'am.
own, you're pleading of your own free will.
No, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 27, 2021 at 10:50 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Monroe and Bovian in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you drinking alcohol, an alcoholic intoxicant on public street?
On what street, young lady?
On a public street.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Rogi?
Your Honor, satisfied.
All right.
Excuse
I'm
me.
gonna direct your attention to August 30th, 2020. May 12th, 2022 at 7:01 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and St. Patrick Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving a 2018 Harley?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, you're satisfied, Mr. Rogi?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's officer satisfied the factual basis will accept that admission and amend that count to fail to display. And then I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 25th, 2021 at 7:45 p.m. On that date and time, we at near 7 Mile and Van Dyke in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
were you, driving a 2021 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes, ma'am.
And was your license not valid or improper?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Rowe?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's office satisfied the factual basis. Will accept the admission and amend those counts to improper plates and fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
All right, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So for the drinking the alcohol in public, that is going to be a 3-month delayed sentence. You got to pay a fine of $200 for that ticket. You have to have it paid by May 16th, which is your next court date. That's when you come back, May 16th at 8:35. Pay the fine. You can't get any more tickets. So no more tickets, essentially no further police contact. You do that, this ticket will be dismissed off your record. You still have these other 3 tickets where you'll have to pay fine of $200 for the improper plates, $200 for the fail to display. I'll waive the fine for one of the other fail to displays. So you're gonna have a total of $600 that you gotta pay. We'll give you,
I have a question.
yes,
Would there be any way I can go pay a reinstatement fee to get my license back after I pay those?
you can start, but you're probably gonna have to pay reinstatement fees for all these other tickets.
Okay.
So these other 2 tickets, so $200 is due in May. This $400, I don't like doing this, but I think I have to, is due March 16th rather.
Okay. What if I go pay all of them as soon as I leave?
That's
Zoom?
That's fine.
You have to wait a day, sir, though, so they can get them in the computer.
Okay.
Right. All right, so you are all set, sir.
And
Okay, thank
you
you.
can probably come down and pay, because so you can figure out what reinstatements you owe and what you don't owe. Come down to the counter.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Joseph Dominic, ticket number P1276078, count 1, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Ticket number P1276035, count 1, improper place, count 2, driver license suspended, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 172118886, count 1, no valid operator's license, count 2, unregistered motor vehicle, and count 3, uninsured motor vehicle. Ticket number 1546767 count 1 is no operator's license in possession. Count 2, driver license suspended. Count 3, provide false information to police officer. Ticket number P1140214, count 1, improper place, count 2, driver register on top vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1140315, count 1, driver license suspended. Ticket number P12770, I'm sorry, strike that. Ticket number P1276038, count 1, driver registered or entitled vehicle. Ticket number SP1311362, count 1, driver license suspended. And ticket number P1128607, count 1, driver license suspended, repeat offender, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Joseph Dominic.
Say your name, sir.
Joseph Dominic.
Your Honor, regarding Mr. Dominic's matters, he is asking the court to set the warrants aside, waiving formal reading, and entering a plea of not guilty, requesting bench trial dates on all matters.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dominic, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, and the court will set aside the warrants. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial? You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value?
No.
To waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, which I think we have. Jury trial. First. Jury trial. He said.
So permanent switch.
Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date, March 2nd.
Yeah.
March 2nd at 9:00.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. You're all set, sir.
Okay.
You got a jury trial on the first?
We got jury trial every day. Got a few of them.
You said every day.
I mean, every day, all of them.
Oh,
All right, Officer Robinson, were you on Xander Dixon or were you on Andre Davis?
Hey, good morning, Your Honor. I'm on Andre Davis.
Good morning. All right, we adjourned that for a bench trial, I think March. So you'll probably have, I mean, I guess you'll see another subpoena
You said March 4th,
first.
March 1st?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Have a good day.
This is, you too. This is the people versus Tamika Davis, ticket number P13852773. Count one, defective brake light, ticket number P13819996. Count one, expired plate, ticket number P13819995. Count one, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Count two, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. And count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Ms. Davis, come into the camera. I mean, you're in court, looks like you're doing something else.
Good morning, Tamika Davis for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Tamika Davis. I believe today is the date and time set for trial. I do not believe the officer signed in, so I'm moving for dismissal.
These matters are dismissed as the officer has failed to appear. You are offset, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too, ma'am.
You still have Brooks.
I know I have Brooks and I have that application, so Ms. Holt